Today I'm going to talk a little bit about values and how you get different values with watercolor. And watercolors are pretty much all transparent. Sometimes there's a little bit of white in them in colors like yellow, and I'll just show you that here. It's just not quite as transparent as the blues, but you can still get different values by adding water, and that lightens it up. Okay, so we're going to look at our value sheet and we're going to come in and let's use some purple and see. We did purple earlier. I'm going to show you what I did. So you've got different textures of the watercolor as you add more water to it, and it's going to be very thick with just a little bit of water. I call it very juicy. And then I'm going to clean off my brush, add a little bit of water to that, and come back, and it's a little bit lighter, not that much lighter. And then I've got to clean it off, put more water, and it's a little lighter still. And then I'm just going to add water and get even lighter. So there's the different values. And if I want it even darker, I could come in and not have hardly any water, and it'll be even darker. So what's fun about watercolor, that's how you get your values. Just come in and just start adding more water to one color of paint that you have. I hope that helps you understand a little bit about value. And one of the things you want to remember is when you do have a lot of light, it adds more sparkle to your painting. So I did this a while ago, and what I want to do is start glazing it because I think it's too light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get more of my orange, and I'm adding some water to the orange paint, and I'm going to come over it and add more color on there where I want it. So with watercolors, they do dry light, and so you might want to wait till it dries, take a look at it, and decide where you want to add more color or more shadows. And then you'll be able to work with it. I'm going to add a little pink here because I think that'll add a nice touch. Okay, let's add a little pink here, a little more pink, right over on top of the purplish color. Another thing you can do is just add some water and then drop in different colors. And I'm going to drop in some purples. Okay, so that's when people say they're glazing, that's what they're doing. They're just putting another layer of paint. With watercolor, it is transparent, so you can just keep adding more colors over what you already painted, and that's what makes it fun. Please consider leaving a like and subscribe, and do hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I have another video coming on live.